Completely forgot to show you people my most favorite eyeshadow palette, but then I don't keep it in my makeup box because these are expensive ones and I didn't want to destroy it. So I'm going to show it to you now. This is Revolution Sofx, as you can see. Okay, this is Ultra Eyeshadow, this one. And again, Sofx Revolution. This is Extra Spice. These two are my absolute favorite. It's got amazing colors and these are the ones that I use only for special occasions. Hello everybody, hello all you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You are in Life is Good with Anuradha Vashisht, and today's episode is going to be about what's in my bag. Which bag? My makeup bag. So today's episode is going to be about what I have in my makeup bag. So I like to do a little bit of makeup once and often, and I have this little bag of mine, okay, this little bag of mine that I keep when I have to do my shooting for YouTube videos, or if I have to go out for parties, or if I have to generally go and meet somebody, or just look good for any kind of an event or occasion. So this is my little bag, which is my makeup bag. So today's video is going to be about this little starshine in my hand, this little bag of mine, which is not so little, but it contains all my makeup goodies. So I generally have I have got about 2 or 3 bags, but this is the one that I use the most often, and it kind of has my all A to Z of makeup. So I'm going to showcase to you what I have in this makeup bag of mine. Let's move ahead. So this bag of mine it's a 2 zipped bag, okay, and I shall now start with what I have in it. Okay, so first thing that I always do for myself is to clean my face, and use a toner. Okay, so this is what I use. This is by Sri Sri. This is Gulab Jal. This is the toner that I use. This is absolutely best for my kind of skin, which is sensitive and oily, and I always use this, whether it's summer, winter, where there's a rainy season. I just spray it onto my face and I feel refreshed and absolutely like a rose. So this is what I have in it. This is the Gulab Jal or rose water from Sri Sri that I use as a toner after I clean my face. Next, what I have is this is the Pond's, you can see this is the Pond's Super Light Gel. Okay, this is the moisturizer that I use after I use a little bit of toner, and this is suitable for my kind of skin, which is oily and sensitive, and I use this only for my makeup. Otherwise I use a sunscreen and a moisturizer which is of a different brand, but whenever I do my makeup, this is what I use. Okay, next what do I have? Next what I have is my primer. Okay, so my primer, I have 2 kinds that I use. This is from Stay Quirky. Okay, this is the Stay Quirky primer that I have, that I usually use for my makeup in most of my videos. And another one is by Sugar. It's the Soothing Primer. It's a little bit of tinted primer that I use. It's a primer come a moisturizing kind of a thing. It's tinted, so just this primer, if you use for any kind of a photo shoot, if you're doing a little bit of a video in the sunlight, it's good enough. It's a tinted primer. Okay, and this is what I have for my primer. Next, what do I have after primer? It is gonna be the foundation. My 2 most favorite foundation is Maybelline New York Fit Me. Okay, so this is the matte and poreless. This is in the shade 230. Okay, this is the foundation that I use, and this is a liquid foundation. It's my absolute favorite, and it's normal to oily skin, and the number is 230, which is called Natural Buff. Okay, see, it's called Natural Buff, and it suits my complexion to the T. So this is one, and the other one I have is from Sugar. It's a Drop the Base Serum Foundation, number 42 Glaze, and this is absolutely wonderful and beautiful because it blends so well with my skin. Okay, this is how it is, and just apply it onto your face. Most of the time I am not using my brush. I usually use my hand to quickly do the makeup, or what I use is a blending sponge. This is in my makeup kit too. Okay, so this is what I have for my foundation. After foundation comes your concealer. So for my concealer, I have got quite a few, but the ones that I use many more often is this is Instant Age Rewind. Okay, and I use 120 light. This is a beautiful find of mine, and I shall show you how it works. It's so easy for application. You just open it and you just twist it around, and this is like a sponge kind of a thing. Just apply it and blend it with your fingers with a light brush. Very easy application. This is one, and the other one that I usually use is from Glam 21, I think so. And I don't know where I had got this from. I don't know when, but it kind of suits my complexion. So 25, number 25. This is by Glam. Okay, this is concealer. So this is what I have for concealer. Okay, next I have another concealer. This is the latest that I've got. This is from Fit Me. Okay, this is Maybelline New York's Fit Me, and the number is 15 Fair. Okay, so this is another concealer that I have that I use. The next from my bag you're going to find is the loose powder. This is from Banana. This is All Set to Go banana powder. So basically, after you use your concealer, you kind of pack it in because the creases will show otherwise. Okay, so this is how it goes. Okay, and this is my concealer. This is my beauty loose powder. Just apply it and let it be there for a few minutes till I do my eyes or something, and just brush it aside. So this is the loose powder that I have from Sugar. Okay, next what do I have? Okay, I'm going to show you my contour stick. Okay, and this also. So the contour stick I have is from from Mars Contour 3D Balm. It's a contour stick at one end. Okay, and a highlighter at the other. Okay, so this is what I am using now. But first, previously I would be using this is by NY Bay. Okay, if you remember a few of my initial videos. Okay, this is the one I would be using for my contour, and this is called Toffee NYB FCS number 6. This is what I'll be using, but I'm not using it now. Another thing that I have with me is this NYX Professional Makeups. This is Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. So a little bit of it and just dab it onto your skin after putting your foundation and concealer. After you put that, just put it onto your face and glow onto it. So I rarely use this, mostly for my mornings, or if I'm going for a party, that's when I use it. What else do I have? Okay, now I shall show you my next. What I have is this. I'm not going by any order, I'm just picking up whatever is there in my bag. So I'll go with my eyeshadow. Now these are my absolute favorite. I have another one which I'm going to show you. It's not in my bag, but it's inside my cupboard, because I have to hide a lot of things from my little daughter. She comes and she onto her face. She's learning colors now, so I kind of let her use it. So I have it aside. I'll show you which one is it. But in my bag I have this by Hilary Rhoda, okay, and this is one palette, and the other one I have is by Usha's. This is another. All right, this is another one that I have. Usually all my bronzers are over here, and this is a colorful one, of course, with all the kind of shades. I have another one which is by Beauty People, and I love it because it is glittery and it is bling. I love this. Can you see this? So this is by Beauty People. This is the Blowout Smashbox that I have in my makeup bag. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, I have this also. Now I have this Sugar's Salmon Superstar. All right, this is one of my blushes, and this is like a coral orangish kind of a color. But what I'm wearing right now is by latest is by Swiss Beauty, and this is 05 Deep Pink. It's a very beautiful pink color. Pigmentation is good. I wanted to try this out for a very long time. So this is one of the blushes that I use. The other is this Swiss Beauty's Deep Pink. Okay, Deep Pink blush. So this is another one that I have. And for my highlighter, I had told you I have this, the 3D balm contour, okay, Mars, but I most often use this. It's by Sugar. This is 04 Royal Rose. And another one that I have is by Rimmel London, and it's got 3 of its kind. The 3 of its kind is the highlighter, the contour, as well as the blush in one. And this is 001 Golden Sands. So it's 3 in 1, which I always kind of have in my bag. This is it. I also have by Huda Beauty the Fixer. Okay, I don't use it very often now because it kind of fades the makeup I've seen nowadays. But yes, at times I do. When I do a lot of makeup for a night out or a party or something, this is what I use. Okay, there it goes. This is finished. Now I'm going to go to my other flap. The other flap contains my mascara. Now this is my absolute favorite. This is Maybelline New York Hyper Curl. Okay, very good application, very easy to use, and my eyelashes look really beautiful and nice. So this is it. Another one that I have is by Color Bar. All right, Color Bar's Lash Illusion mascara. Mascaras that I use for my eyeliner, and for my eyeliner, for my kajal, and for my eyebrows I use Sugar. Okay, this is Sugar's 3-in-1 brow shaper. It's 01 Cherry Brown. This is very useful because it contains the stick at one end, the pencil, contains the spoolie, okay, to give your shape and dust off excess, and it also contains the sponge for the brow powder, okay, from the middle. So this is the 3-in-1 that I have. Another thing that I have is these are my Kohl's, the kajal. Okay, this is by Lakme, very old one. Another one I have is by Sugar. Okay, so this is Sugar's Heavy Duty Kohl Black Magic. Okay, 05, a little bit of glittery kind of a thing. So nice. And for a liquid eyeliner, I use 36H. Okay, this is also very useful. It gives a very definite shape. It's when I want to give a definite shape to it. And I also have L'Oreal's Magic, okay, Kajal Magic. And I also have this. This is the traditional Insta liner that we all used from time immemorial. So this is the Lakme Kajal, it's the Lakme eyeliner. that we have used from our Bachpan ke din. This is what I have. Okay, I also have this. I think this I should have shown it first. This is the lip balm that I use to, prep up and prime up my lip before I use a liquid lipstick. Anything else? Okay, for my eyes, I also use, many of the times you may have noticed, I use this. This is the K Beauties. It's called Navigator. This is like a deep blue kind of a kohl eye pencil. So this is it. Okay, this is the deep blue pencil that I have. Now I come to an end of what I have. So these are my lip colors. Okay, these are my lip colors that I have. So I have, which I use very often. The first is, this is the crayon lipstick by Sugar. Crayon lipstick by Sugar, and this is called Baby Houseman or Baby Houseman, and number 12. Okay, this is a crayon lipstick, matte. I also have another shade from this crayon lipstick. This is Holly Golightly 04. Okay, this is a very nice shade, which is like a nude pink peach kind of a shade. So this is it, and this is like a deep magenta, no, a deep maroon, pinkish, reddish kind of a color. This one, and this one is like a nude pink. Okay, I also have Sugar's Smudge Me Not Suave Mauve 09. This is again a mauvish kind of a color, nude mauve. Okay, I also have number 16 Boho by Nykaa. This is another nice nude color, more of a brownish shade, brownish mauvish kind of a shade. So this is a very day color. For my that spark that I need to give myself, I use Wine and Shine, and the color is deep pop pink. Okay, deep pop pink. I love this color. It makes my lip, ooh, I love it, love it, love it. So this is a deep pink that I have, and this is also my favorite because I would not be using much of the orange or the coral shades, but when I had done a video on orange lipsticks, this turned out to be my favorite. So this is by Stay Quirky, and it's called On Repeat 6. Okay, this is like a coral shade. This is like a coral shade, so not orange, but it's like coral, nice captivating coral. So this is one thing that I also use a lot. So with that, I come to an end about what's in my bag, my makeup bag, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, do give in your likes, do give in your comments, and definitely subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell button, the red box which says subscribe. It's absolutely free, but when you subscribe to my channel, you automatically connect to me. So stay connected, stay in touch, and I hope I see you all healthy, beautiful, and in good shape in my next video. So till I see you again, bye bye, and I love you all.